Hello everyone, I'm Rahul and welcome back. Today we are going to start a new series that is XR technologies. In today's video, we're going to see what is XR and what are its different technologies. Then also we're going to see some of its examples and advantages over the other technologies. So let's start it. So, can you imagine that you can actually pull your apps from your screen in the space? Yes, this is possible with the help of XR technologies. So, what does this XR means? Are you interested? Yeah, you are. Then XR means extended reality. It refers to the combination of three types of technologies, that is VR, MR and AR. So these three technologies are collectively called as the extended reality. Let's see about these fascinating three terms in little bit details. So first is VR, that stands for virtual reality. So in this technology, the technology is used to make a person experience any virtual environment from anywhere in the world. It's called as a virtual reality. You can understand it as a person is experiencing like he is in the space, traveling in the space, moving around the stars and going near them. This experience can be gained with the help of VR. So its advantage is a person using a VR equipment is able to look around the artificial world, move around that world, interact with the virtual objects. This experience can be experienced by the VR technology. So example of VR are like you are uh, like experiencing, you are like in the world of dinosaurs, or you are in any sci-fi action movie. This experience, this might be an example of VR. So second one is MR technologies, and then we have augmented reality, that is AR technology. First of all, we will see the augmented reality, that is AR. So AR is like something superior than the VR. So in the AR, what does actually happens? So in it, we actually pull the virtual objects to display in your real worlds, and this can help us to solve many trial problems before buying the product. So you can understand it as you wear something equipment of it, and then if you want to see how some table or how some fridge will look in your house, you just uh, select that table or that fridge and you drag this, and you select a place where it should be present, and you will see how it will look in your apartment or at your place. So in AR, customers can experience the objects before buying it, how they will look on themselves or at their places. So this experience can be gained by the AR technologies. Let's see some of the examples of AR technologies. Like I have considered two examples. First one is Gucci's AR app that helps a customer to know how their shoes will look on the customer before buying that product for the better user experience. And then we have Warby Parker's app try on app for the spectacles. So they offer this service to get the users know which type of spectacle will look on them better. That's why they this AR is important in nowadays. So what makes AR superior than the VR? So as far as you learn about AR's specialty, that is you go to a new environment that doesn't exist in nowadays, or now not exist in your place. So But in AR, you brings the virtual objects to your real world to experience how they will look. This makes the AR different than the VR. Then the third technology, that is MR, mixed reality. It can be considered as the augmented reality plus virtual reality, and you get the VR MR technology, that is mixed reality. Nowadays, it consists of two forms. First one is in which user remains in the real world, but the virtual objects are tracked to your world. It is similar to the AR, but the additional function is you not only interact with these objects, but also you can use their functions. Like you can consider it as you wanna see how the fridges will look in your place, and you want to see its functions also. Then what you do, you just use mixed reality equipments, and then you drag that fridge to your place with the help of these equipments, and you can now open it, close it, see its functions also. This is happens in the first form of the MR technology. So the second form of MR technology is that you go to an virtual environment, and in it you drag the real world objects, and they get overlapped in the virtual environment. This happens in the second form. So example of this second form is, like nowadays, instead of flying the aeroplane for experience by the trainees in the airplane pilot training centers, what their teachers or what their college do, they have something called as a flight simulator. So they use this high-end flight simulator to train the pilots before getting on the real plane. So this it helps to gain the training experience for them. So that's all about the MR technologies for today, and we have seen what are the MR or what are the XR technologies. In the next video of this series, we're gonna see that what are the applications of these XR technologies in industries nowadays. And if you are interested to know about these fascinating XR technologies more, then follow this series and try to, if you find out this content is interesting to you, helpful to you, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.